Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hello everyone, my name is Mmakgabo Dlomo and I am the owner and founder of Intombi hair. And our business is an innovative business because we combine natural hair care with technology to help you understand what your hair care needs are. And that's what we do. We work with you to help you to understand your hair so that you have healthy, beautiful hair. So we started the business because I had a personal story about my hair care struggles. I come from a family who has long, flowing, beautiful hair, but my hair didn't turn out the same. And when I had children, I realized that their hair care needs were also very different. And so I started mixing things together to try and figure out what is the best solution for the problem that I had. And I started off with just one product. But working with people and understanding an array of different hair care needs that we all have, I ended up producing products that are specific to those needs as I keep talking and communicating with my clients. So we started off with one product, which was like our hair oil, but now we have a range of 3 different products. So we have the hair oil, the hairspray, and our moisturizing butter, which are all natural and organic, and they cater for different types of hair. So whatever your hair care needs are, that's what our products are designed for. So you can get a hold of us. We've got a website, an e-commerce website. It's www.intombihaircare.co.za. You can find us on Facebook as well. You can find us on Instagram under the handles Intombi SA. The pitch was very nerve-wracking. I think I got excited when I found out about the pitch challenge, because one of the things that I think we desperately need as a business is mentoring and business support. So I think that is the part that really drew me to sign up for the challenge. So I think it's exciting as like a next step to get the kind of support and mentorship that Intombi desperately needs at this point in time to help us grow. So it was a nerve-wracking experience, but it's an experience that I would tell every entrepreneur you have to go down that kind of experience, because it kind of helps you grow. It motivates you to get to your next level. And as nervous as you may be, feel the nerves, but do it anyway. Hi, my name is Mmakgabo Dlomo and I'm a township entrepreneur.